If you search on Google or YouTube, you will find many videos where people promote plant-based diet, which is great. But some identifies vegan diet with longer lifespan. I wanted to do some digging into that, and I wanted to share with you what I found. First of all, our life expectancy depends on many factors, not only food. It depends on genetics, environmental factors, stress levels, sleep quality, exercise, and many other factors. Some of the factors are not in our control, but some of the factors are in our control. Food habit is definitely one of them. Comparing life expectancy depending on whether you are a vegan, vegetarian, or omnivore is a bit nuanced. But vegetarian diet can be linked with a lower risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and some types of cancer. According to a study, large gain in the life expectancy is possible by consuming more whole grains, nuts, fruits, and vegetables, less refined sugar and sweetener, and processed meat. A gain in about 10 years is possible if you make diet change earlier in your life. Earlier means maybe in your 20s, but if you make these changes later in your life, the gain will be less. Some studies claimed up to 15% lower risk of premature deaths for vegans. On the other hand, this Australia-based research found that vegetarian, semi-vegetarian, or pesca-vegetarian diets do not have any independent protection against all-cause mortality. On top of that, vegans and some vegetarians may be at higher risk of hemorrhagic stroke and bone fractures if not very careful about diet plan or supplements. On top of that, vegans or vegetarians can also be at risk of deficiencies in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, riboflavin, iron, zinc, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. I have some supporting article in the description box below. Please read in details if you're interested. Vegetarian or vegan diets can be particularly dangerous for pregnant and breastfeeding women and growing children because it is crucial to build up the nutrients for their proper development. So till today, we do not have enough evidence that any of these diets can prevent all-cause mortality. So I believe in overall healthy lifestyle. In vegan diet, you are allowed fried food, refined sugar, alcohol. Those are not healthy, right? Some experts claim that Mediterranean diet is good for longevity. Some goes by raw vegan, but no clear statistics on any of that. A lot more data and a lot of more research is necessary to come to a conclusion. Finally, I want to share my own idea and what I try to follow for myself. I prefer a balanced approach. My body cannot handle nuts and beans pretty well, so I need meat, fish, or eggs for protein. I try to have vegan breakfast, meat or fish and vegetables, sweet potatoes for lunch, some smoothies with protein powder and fruits for dinner, and before exercise, usually some dairy milk or soy milk, sometimes with cacao powder and honey to make it delicious.